Hello and welcome traders, welcome to another video here brought to you by MarketwiseTraders, right? And we are continuing looking at the fundamentals of trading, and today we are going to be looking at lot sizes. So we're going to understand what is a lot, how do we use it, and what all this means, okay? So that you can be more effective at trading. So in financial markets, a lot represents the standardized number of units of a financial instrument as set out by an exchange or similar regulated authority. Okay, so it's a standard like how you have kilograms, or you have got pounds or meters, yards, all that kind of thing, kilometers, miles. It's a measure, right? So the number of units that we trade is determined by lot size. Okay. So when trading currencies, metals, major indices, they are micro, mini, and standard lots, right? So a micro lot is 1,000 units of the base currency, or you can also say 1,000, say US dollars, if that's your base currency. A mini lot is 10,000 units, okay? And a standard lot is 100,000 units. So a standard lot is 100,000 you can say US dollars, or whichever base currency you'll be using or trading at that time. Okay, so when trading shares, lot sizes can range from a number of shares like 10 to 100 shares per lot. Okay, there's more money involved, but of course nowadays brokers also allow you to trade like at a lower level just on monetary terms. So now, volatility indices, like the popular one, which is now deriv and the like, there's many others that are coming up following the same pattern because they are making money off of retail traders. So these guys, they have got different lot size requirements, and they continually change. Minimum lot sizes, your trailing stops, and all this. If you get with us, you'll understand more about this. How you can set automatic trades and all this. They always change it. That's why, if you remember when I first started and I spoke on what to trade on CFD trading, and I said I have got some hesitation on trading of indices, of these sort of indices, because of this thing where they can just any moment change the rules and say the standard lot size now on trading volatility 100 is now 0.20. It's now you see this. So that is what I don't like about that. But you can still trade it if you can be consistent, but it's not something I would encourage you to do on a long-term point of view. Okay, so that's the lot size. It's basically, like I'm saying, it's just like how much of a position you take, the stake that you take when you enter a trade. Like how you say, okay, I'm gonna bet that on 1 gram of gold is going to move from this price to that price, and that kind of thing. It's pretty simple when you get into the charts. It's not a difficult thing, and we'll show you as well, if you're coming for further learning, how to actually trade what lot size and based on your capital and all this kind of thing. Okay, so the larger the lot size, the higher the required equity, the higher the likely profit or loss, and vice versa. Same thing, you put more in, you expect more to come out. That's what a lot size works. But remember, your equity will affect the size of a lot that you can trade. That all also is affected by your leverage. That's why I said watch all these videos in the playlist, and at the end we'll deal with putting it all together on what really matters. Okay, when we speak of margin and stop outs and all that, that's basically, some people at times they get to their account, they wonder, I was in a position, how come my account was just closed, my stop loss was far away. You'll see why. All right, so here we go. In value terms, let's talk money terms here, right? And what we're looking at is the lot size. So like I said, you've got the standard lot, which that is 100,000 units of the currency. So you can even say, if you're trading like say dollar yen or something, that would be 100,000 units of the dollar versus the yen, and at the volume, that is at the volume of 1, which is a standard lot. Mini lot, you're looking at 0.10. That is what we call a mini lot, 10,000 units. And the micro lot is the one where most retail traders trade the range of a micro to a mini lot, which is 1,000 units of the base currency. And using leverage, you can even trade this micro lot, like I've said, as you saw in our advert, from as little as $10. You can enter as little as $10 equity. You can be entering the market to trade a micro lot. Okay, nano lot, that is just 100 units. So that's like if you're trading over leverage of 1-to-1 with $100, you can be entering that position. But we look at all this on leverage. But with leverage, this is what enables you to trade in this range of a micro and a mini lot. And of course, with time, you can get up to be trading standard lots and the like, isn't it? Or depending on your risk. Remember, your equity is money which you are willing to risk to enter into the trade, right? So pip value, later on in this playlist, we will look at what is a pip and the pip value and all this kind of thing. But as you can see, basically, the higher the lot size, as this lot size goes up, as I said, the greater is going to be your gain. That would be your profit or your loss, all right? So I trust this was useful to you guys, and I will be back again with another video. Remember, keep watching these videos to refresh yourself and to keep yourself grounded on the fundamentals of trading. Okay, it's not just a theory, but it's something which even when you're in the market, you will not forget what you are dealing with. All right, so happy trading, guys, and we'll be back again with another good video.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom, get understanding, get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today.